Collins, what are you doing in my house?
Babe, about what you saw, babe, it's not what you think.
It's not what I think. Or it's not what I saw.
Babe, come on, what you saw isn't exactly what you're thinking about.
Then can you just explain to me?
Babe, come on, it's nothing.
No, it's nothing.
Yeah.
Collins, is this the first time you're doing it or the 5th time? Oh, Collins, you've been cheating on me over and over again.
Babe.
And you have the guts to show your ugly face in my house?
Babe.
Wait, Collins. I caught you cheating on me. And you have the nerves to come to my house 24 hours later. You see how shameless you are?
Babe, it's not that serious. Come on, it was just a fling.
Oh, a fling. Collins, I'm tired of hearing the same excuses over and over again. I am sick and tired of you. You know what?
What?
I am done with this relationship.
Babe.
It's over between us.
Babe! Babe! Babe, you can't leave this relationship.
Collins, let's go of me.
I won't.
Collins, you are hurting me. Let's go of me. Collins, let's go of me!
Babe, I can't let go of you because I love you.
You don't! No one owns me! You don't own me. Fool! Collins, get your foolish self out of my house this minute!
Wow. You've grown some nerves, right? Right? You just walked out on me like that, you crazy! Come on, come on, you call this police? Huh? Huh?
I'll leave you.
You're crazy! How dare you? Huh? How dare you? Oh shit! Tu m'as pas les filles! Hein? Allah nous mis!
It's okay! Let's go of him! Get out! Get out!
Want to go get us? Oh shit! Allah nous mis! Explain, babe. It's the one.
Yeah, what? Sit here.
phone is off. Please don't harm me. Don't hurt me. Please, I beg of you. Please. Please, I can give you my phone. I will give you money, anything you want.
Wait till happen, madam. Wait till happen. Now your motto be this. And wait till happen now.
Are you not a thief?
I no be thief. Me on surely. I no be thief. Wait till happen to your car.
I have a flat tire.
Okay, you get spare?
Yes, I do. It's in the boot.
Okay, here now. I will help you.
Oh, thank you.
Where's the spare?
I have in the boot.
Oh, yeah, now. Maybe I will do one.
Oh, okay.
No, let me show you. Madam, this tire now spare. When they change that one for you, or you go find what you do tomorrow. Go to hey, madam, if you dey go now.
Excuse me. Thank you.
No wahala.
Thank you for helping me. Thank you for saving me.
No
Thank
wahala.
you. God bless you. Thank you. Can I at least drop you to where you're going?
I don't get where they go. Don't worry.
No. I mean like your house or something. Let me
Now
just
I
drop you.
tell you, I don't get anywhere where they go. I just come Lagos and I don't get anywhere. I just find where I go put my hand down, sleep till tomorrow.
What do you mean you don't have anywhere to go to? It's dangerous being out here this time.
Mother, what I want to do, I don't get where they go. Eh? Thank you.
Excuse me.
Ma?
I don't know, but I don't know. Can you go with me to my place? At least just for you to spend the night till morning you can sort yourself out. Please? Don't worry, you're safe with me. You can come in.
Madam, where be this?
It's my home. You're welcome.
Madam. They lie for me.
Why?
This one won't be your home. You be man. Now man, from where I come from, now man, they get this kind of place. How you can't take this kind of place?
Oh, really? Well, it's a different world here. And please, can you lower your voice? My household might be sleeping. It's already 12 midnight.
Ha! Ma, I won't ask. You won't use me for ritual. Ori mi o gba bode o.
You know what? I am tired. I need to retire for the night. Let's go up so I'll show you your room you can stay. Come on in. This is an empty space in my house. You can make use of it till you sort yourself out.
Make I stay for you.
Yes, and make yourself comfortable. You're cold. Okay, you know what? Let me turn off the AC. Okay. I think you'll be fine now. So you have a wonderful night.
Me no.
Oh, Jesus! Who you be? Who open gate for madman? Chinenye Nnebe. Madman dey house, oh! Who dey this house, madam? Madam, madman! Come on, come on! Jesus! Who open gate for madman? Oh, Jesus!
What's going on here? Rosa, what's the problem?
Madman!
Who is madman?
Madman! I don't know who opened gate for madman.
Rosa, he's not a madman. I brought him home last night. He's a yoga.
Madam, see head. From head to toe, now mad person be this now. Hey, madam. He just come, he opened this door. He won't enter my room, he don't knock. Now, mad person be this.
Ayuba, why did you open the door without knocking? In this house, you have to knock first before you open any of the doors, okay? Ayuba, this is Rosa, my house help. Rosa, this is Ayuba. He'll be living with us for a few days.
Eh? Sorry, madam. CHINENYE NNEBE. Sorry, ma.
Rosa, I'm late for work.
No verse.
Make me breakfast and make something for him.
CHINENYE NNEBE.
Oh no. That's so soon, I won't be able to. Come on, babe, I'm saying the truth. It's so soon for me. You have to change date or something. Let me call you back. Collins, what are you doing in my apps?
Babe, about what you saw, babe, it's not what you think.
It's not what I think. Or it's not what I saw.
Babe, come on, what you saw isn't exactly what you're thinking about.
Then can you just explain to me?
Babe, come on, it's nothing.
Oh, it's nothing.
Yeah.
Collins, is this the first time you're doing it or the 5th time? Oh, Collins, you've been cheating on me over and over again.
Babe.
And you have the guts to show your ugly face in my house?
Babe.
Wait, Collins. I caught you cheating on me. And you have the nerves to come to my house 24 hours later. You see how shameless you are?
Babe, it's not that serious. Come on, it was just a fling.
Oh, a fling. Collins, I'm tired of hearing the same excuses over and over again. I am sick and tired of you. You know what?
What?
I am done with this relationship.
Babe.
It's over between us.
Babe! Babe! Babe, you can't leave this relationship.
Collins, let's go of me.
I won't.
Collins, you are hurting me. Let's go of me.
Babe, I won't.
Collins, let's go of me.
Babe, I won't let go of you because I love you.
You don't. No one owns me. You don't own me. Fool. Collins, get your foolish self out of my house this minute.
Wow. You've grown some nerves, right? Right? You just walked out on me like that. Are you crazy? Am I the way you call this foolish? Huh? Huh?
I'll leave you.
You're crazy. How dare you? How dare you? No shit. Tu vas mourir. Tu vas mourir. Pas de fille. Hein? Allah nous mis.
It's okay. Let's go of him. Get out. Get out.
Want to go get her? Oh shit. Alanumi, are you okay?
I'm fine.
How you forgot me?
It's okay. Thank you.
Kò tọ́pẹ́. Ní dúró mi.
Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, I want to cut his hair.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Come have a seat.
Can I see?
And that's in the turn.
Just stay still. Stay still. Ayuba, please.
Kí leléyìí? Ó fẹ́ pa mí ni.
No. Tissue lele. This neck tissue.
Ayuba, he's just protecting you. He's not gonna hurt you. Just sit.
Down.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n sọ fún mi. Alright. Not too much.
Àti mi ń ṣe màálù. Kí lórúkọ ẹ̀?
Ayọ̀.
Ayọ̀ ọmọ níyà ọmọ ìbí. Kìíní yìí ó ń fún mi lọ́rùn o. Ó ń fún mi lọ́rùn o. Ìdè choke neck.
So what hairstyle can I get?
Eh?
Afro, Obama.
You know what? Just give him any haircut that suits his face. That's all.
Ló ṣẹlẹ̀.
Ayuba, he's not gonna hurt you. Sit. You're wasting my time. I don't have the whole day.
Sorry.
Ha.
Just calm down.
Sharp, but we will found. Sharp. Madam, na everything dey cut.
Yes. You look more handsome. Can you recognize yourself?
After shave. This is after shave.
Eh?
After shave.
Ayuba, just sit. Ayuba.
He dey pepper me.
Sorry.
Nǹkan tí ẹ bí ìjà ló máa ń ṣe.
You like it?
It's fine.
Yes, it is.
Sharp.
Can you recognize yourself?
Yeah.
So it's time to go to the boutique so I can get you new clothes. So that you can have a change of this year. Let's go.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
O ṣe ọmọ ìyá mi.
Come on, let's go.
Ọ̀dọ́ fún mi lẹ́sìn máa fún ẹ lẹ́sìn.
welcome.
Thank you, Rosa.
Rosie?
How you ba?
Eh? Rosie?
Now you be this. Hey.
Madam?
Hey, Hannibal.
Madam, I just say make I can't thank you for all this thing you do for me, the clothes, the hair, everything just it surprised me. But Madam, now God go bless you.
Amen.
God go bless you. God,
Amen.
you try for me.
You're welcome.
For my place, they call you Wonder Woman.
I'm glad I can assist. You're welcome.
Just say make I can't thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayuba,
Huh?
I would like to ask you something. What about your educational background? Did you finish school or you dropped out?
For school, I do primary. I do secondary, but I no finish that one because my papa died. Everything just it come back on, but I did pull along with the year. Thank God.
I'm so sorry about that.
Okay.
So tell me, what would you like to do? Would you like to go back to school or to learn a skill?
For now, I go like do mechanic work. Mechanic go good.
Okay, that's fine, but mechanic work is a dirty work.
Kilepi, is a what?
Dirty work.
Madam, we dey talk work, they talk dirty. Any work we man see, she talk about it, go sheni. Dirty. Madam, hey, you know what for? I work.
Okay then, that's fine if you say so.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll see what I can do.
Madam, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I just say.
You're looking good, by the way.
Madam, as I enter room where I look myself, I say, madam.
Are you right? It's fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Madam, I greet you. Well done.
Gloss. You want something?
No, I say anything I feel help you do for you.
You want help me?
I can help you.
Chai, that one good. You go help me pick beans.
Wow. Small something.
Thank you.
I don't say that time they look me like say I decrease. I know.
Chai, no verse, I dey very, very sorry. Say I think say the clease. No verse.
Even me, if I know say everything no so dey okay, but Kachama dupe.
Chai. No verse say I dey ask you. Why you self come dey do like mad person? You just leave your beer everywhere, everything just full. You full anyhow.
Madam, don't worry. One day I go tell you what. For now, I just thank God. Understand?
You go slide to the shave your beer. You know good. Go shave everywhere, make everywhere cream.
I go.
Sorry.
You won't make my money.
And I want my they cook.
They
like chop moi.
Good job.
The chop, have you? No worry, I will give you plenty.
Thank you.
We'll leave your beer like that again.
No,
Go shave everything. Come on. Enter.
Rosie, make her come in.
Enter if you go enter. What's happened?
Rosie, I need your help.
What's in now?
Rosie, I want shit. I never shit since I come here.
You want shit? Why can't they tell me say you want shit? Go your bathroom, go shit now. You don't get toilet.
Toilet no dey there now.
What do you mean say toilets not in your bathroom?
Madam tell me say toilet bathroom did that place, but I never see any toilet.
Ayuba, which kind of rubbish pray be this? Every room where they this house gets toilet and bathroom.
My own no get.
He gets now, no be where they clean every day.
No be me they there. They no put time. I want shit. Make I come shit for you.
Respect yourself. Why you go enter my bathroom?
This shit.
Oya, make we go make I show you your toilet.
I want shit. Bless I don't dey mess.
Now, wow. I go to say toilet no dey your room.
Listen for
I tell you, say toilet dey your bathroom. No be your bathroom be this. Wetin be this?
With the toilet.
Ayuba, wetin be this? No be toilet be this.
This is na toilet where they put my clothes when I want
Na
bath.
toilet now. See na toilet be this. You go just open am like this. If you open am like this, you sit down.
This thing go break now.
Wetin go break am?
If I see all this thing go break.
Wetin dey break am? Na this one oyibo man do make person balance. Shit, as you dey shit, you go dey comot swelele welele. Sharp sharp. The shit go dey comot. Fium fium. If you enter the water, you go do kpogom. Dey very okay. Na here you go shit. Na this one you go shit. Oya, enter go shit.
You dey go?
I go dey here dey shit with you. Be like say something dey worry you. Abeg. Shit. Everywhere no dey.
Go machine come.
Start to shit.
Òun yìí pọ̀ gbólógbóló ìgbẹ́ yìí máa lọ báyìí. Kí ni wọ́n máa lò báyìí?
Ayuba. Wetin you dey find?
Dey find bucket.
Wetin you wan carry bucket do? Abeg off that thing. Wetin you dey carry bucket do?
No be you say make I go shit for that something. That thing wey dey.
Wetin be your problem? I think say I look her, I don see person wey look her pass me.
The shit no go. My shit just dey do like this.
Ayuba, which kind bushman you be now? So you don't know say water dey there on standby. Wetin you guys do be say you go press something. When you press am inside, the water go flow, flush am.
You see, I can put my inside the shit.
Why you dey talk? You get something for the water system. Wey be say if you shit finish, you press am. When you press am, water go flow, flush the shit.
I don't know wetin you dey talk. Say make I go bring the shit comot.
Make I go show you. Come, where we go.
You know if you go, if you die, oh.
Which kind of local man you be? More they go.
Make I no fetch this one.
No fetch am, no fetch am.
Cause I never flush.
Hey, I want for you. Follow me.
Cool.
Jeez. Jehovah, this.
I tell you now. I tell you most of friends. You're cool.
Why your shit dey smell like this?
Ọkùnrin ni mí.
It dey smell like. I say he chop beans wey don rotten. Hey. Come now, come. Now here. See am. Come see am. Chinenye nnebe. Now here you go press. If you press am like this, you don't hear the water. The water don't dey fresh. Come on.
No shele.
Hey.
Irọ́ o. Ibo ló wá gbà mí? Àwọn òyìnbó ń ṣe nǹkan. Òyìnbó ti ya wèrè. Òyìnbó ẹ ti ya wèrè. Ibo ló gbà lọ? Òyìnbó. Irọ́ o, omi.
Nah, serious. Chai! Now which day person go rob me like this? Hey, Taka. Correct am, now you know say you want correct am. I don't tell you this thing before. My name na Losa. No, they call me Losi. Na Losa.
Rosie, you see this thing now na television.
And na TV.
No be TV.
Na TV now. I don't see the people where they inside.
Why them big like this?
Because the TV big.
No, now TV where I know. he go get back go dey like this. Gbogbo ma wa okay.
Ibiala. You don't know say na for village you get that TV. There na city. If you dey city, you behave like city person now.
Where we dey? Where be this place?
Ojom. Where you think say you dey?
Ojom.
No be Lagos you dey.
I know say na ma worry go le here, but wetin you dey watch?
Abeg. Take your time. I want watch this rough film around me. No, they disturb me. They make noise for inside my ear.
I just ask you questions.
I never tell you, man, no, they follow me. They speak that nonsense language.
And to ba bere ono ko ni sono.
What can you make in see?
Gini.
They craze.
I know they abuse.
I
know they abuse. Mo bere ni. Person wey ask question, you no go lost. I see where they.
Abeg, they disturb me.
Oh yeah, wetin dey?
Around me, make I watch my rough film in peace.
You like love?
Ayiwa.
Where you carry this one come from?
That from village there.
Aye.
They go with me everywhere.
Ha! You na confirm bushman.
Hey.
So you sabi pray this thing.
Make I pray for you. When they play this thing, girls go gather around like this, they go just dance.
Ayiba, lest.
I'll come give them stories.
Lest. Small thing now, you begin lace shoulder because you sabi play this thing.
Yeah, play for you.
You dey disturb everybody wey dey this compound. It too loud.
Sit down.
You go reduce your noise.
Sit down. You dey enjoy am. Sit down.
You get rock say madam never come back. If not, she for sack you now because of this noise wey dey make.
You dey like am? Oh, bad way, omoge.
Oh yeah, pray make I hear small.
Go. You like her now?
Pray am again. You can't remind me, Bridge. You don't remind me, Bridge. Hey. The prayer. Hey. Chai. See as food sweet.
Everything be sweet. You don't put Iru. How food won't sweet if you don't put Iru?
Agnebo yellow.
Iru. Why you go cook when you don't put Iru?
Why I go put yellow?
Oh,
you think say na your language food be this? Na Yoruba people food be this?
Any food where you cook, when you put Iru, no sweet.
Yellow.
Soup. Not yummy. Yummy bad sonje. Mama cook for you like this. You should put Iru. Bad way.
The food where your mama they cook na for inside village now. And na for your village people she they put yellow. My madam no go chop rubbish. My madam na ajebo. You know they chop yellow.
Make her cook for her once. Make her just treat this food for you.
Make you cook for my madam.
Make her cook for her.
Chineke equally her job. Ayoba, you think I know sabi your plan? I know your plan. As I dey look your eye like this, I know your plan. So you want poison madam so that you go correct her house. You go correct everything way belong to madam. You don't fail. You don't fail. Ooh, you don't fail. You no go cook for my madam. You no go cook for my madam. Your plan no go work.
But if you see.
Now me go dey cook for my madam and I know wetin my madam dey like. As you see my madam so she dey like confirm food. You get wetin she dey call wetin be the name? You get one name where she dey call food wey sweet. Delicacy. My madam dey like delicacy. You sabi delicacy? You no go fit sabi am because you no go school. Itibolibo. Ibu itibolibo. Ilagoni. Akuima. Itibolibo.
Ah! You know what it is, right?
Ayuba.
Eh?
What's it they happen for here?
No need. Fire, see fire.
This bushman, what's it they fight for kitchen?
You see fire.
Wait.
That's what you
What is going on here? Why are you shouting fire?
Hey, madam, see fire. I just, hey, see fire.
Where's the fire?
See.
This bushman.
This is the fire.
Na fire. I won't cook. I say we can come. Look,
Cook what? Cook what? Listen, you have no business with this kitchen. This kitchen is for Rosa, okay? You have no business coming here. She cooks and give you what to eat.
Bam. Sure you don't hear them.
You say the kind of food way Rosie they cook.
Don't that fire you. She gave bam.
No, she cooks well.
Madam Teramo.
Madam, make I just tell you. You get some kind of food where I go cook for you. For you, Ejakika, you know it. So for one.
Madam, no, yeah, this man. Yeah, I know.
Wait.
F4.
What are you talking about? What is
F4, oh my phone. F4 Europe, Ejakika. If I make her for you, madam, you go.
Listen. You are not allowed to cook in this house.
Period.
The kitchen is for Rosa, okay? Okay, fine. You can assist her if you're bored. I think that's the best I can do.
Madam,
I
I don't
don't
need
go
assist.
I don't buy everything I won't use. Epo,
Madam, I beg.
make her just cook on this one. You go like her. Me, go sure you go like her.
Rosa,
Madam.
let him cook.
Madam, I beg. I don't want to make this bushman come scatter this kitchen for me.
Allow him to cook for today,
Right,
okay? But please watch him. Monitor him before he burns down my whole house.
I'm married.
Madam, if you burn the house, I go tell you say I tell you. I go tell you say I told you so.
Oh yeah. Pot. Pot, Daddy.
Be like say your head no collect. Make I bring pot for you. No find pot by yourself.
Even my dad tell you I say make you help
Shebi
me.
na you won't cook. Go cook. Rubbish.
Ẹ bá mi sọ fún Sisi yẹn kó má sá lọ. Mo ti sọ fún pé kájí tẹ́lẹ̀ wá wá. Bèbí jọ̀wọ́ kó má lọ. Ọmọdé ṣe mí, bèbí mi dá. Dúró dè mí, mo gbé mi sáyà. Kó wá fún mi náà.
Ikú ẹ̀ ń sùn. Ojú ọmọ.
Bèbí jọ̀wọ́ kó má sá lọ.
Bia Ayuba. Holly, do this thing, make I come out for here. I don't know whether na song you enter kitchen, can't sing. I be na food you won't cook. Holly, I beg. If you want sing song, make you go church for inside choir, go they sing.
This one no be church song o. Ọmọdé ṣe mí, bèbí mi dá. Dúró dè mí, kó má sá lọ.
All this praise where you just dey dirty anyhow. Make sure say you clean am when you finish o. Because when I dey cook, you know they say as I know they dirty anywhere. See pot, how many pot you don't use? I don't know wetin you dey cook. Where you don't use all the pot where dey this house.
Oh do. I know say this food where they cook now. E dey sweet you. You wan learn am. You wan learn am, but I no go teach you.
I beg no open that pot again. No open am. I beg. Close that thing, they smell.
Don't worry. Just tell me say make I teach you. I go teach you.
I don't know the rubbish where you pack put inside where they smell like
Tell
shit.
me say make I teach
Everywhere
you.
just they smell shit because you dey cook soup.
They pretend.
Holly, may you close that pot, I beg.
They pretend.
Holly, close am.
Sorry, Papa, only this one. This one. You chop am. Hey.
You know where then carry you come
You
from.
know dey me.
Clean that cooker. Clean that cooker.
Wow.
Clean am.
Your blood today.
Before Chineke akpọ gị ọkụ.
Hey, mama.
Onye nzuzu. Onye iberibe.
You walk on Zuzu.
Anọ mpama. They called.
You go call this off.
Thunder fire you.
Where is Ayuba?
I did hear.
Join me. Join me at the table.
No. I will go chop for kitchen.
No, it's fine. Come and sit with me. Yes, I'll love it. Come and join me. Rosa? Please serve him food. Serve him food.
Well, therefore, you need to use hand. Now, hand that they use chop this thing. No be this thing way they use. They know they use them. Now, hand or one. Eh? Now, hand you go use chop am. You don't spoil the food, man.
But this is what I've been using to eat.
No, you wrong. Nah. Taboo. When they bring water, you wash your hand. So you chop it. Omission.
Okay. Rosa! Please get me a bowl with water to wash my hands.
Omission la ma pe. You go enjoy the food now. Once you just use your hand, Emma for go pack am, go chop am. Go well. Sing come.
Oh, thank you.
Emma Kani.
Okay.
Then you get am. Oh yeah. Ekibo. See. On the phone.
It's okay.
What you calling me? Normally like this, you go there. Boom. That's why. Oh Lord. That's how you could do it.
Okay.
Madam, you're supposed to chop everything, no? That fish, Naija, you chop am.
Oh, okay.
It's good though. Very good. Even the pomo.
Okay. I think Rosa have not cooked something like this before because this is so delicious.
So let's say they can't cook it. It's my let me cook now. My what's in myself.
Rosa! Rosa, before I forget, I want him to be cooking more in the house henceforth. Because I like his food. It's delicious. Yes.
But mommy. Don't really bread, but mommy. And the katasaka me Joshi. Madam, if I cook ila for you, ila okra.
Okay.
You want my yolo for you buying?
talking now. Ah, soccer.
Ìgbéraga ò dáa, ìgbéraga ò dáa. If you say the food no sweet, you no like am. Na rubbish I cook. O fọkànbalẹ̀ ló jókòó ló ń jẹ yìí. The one wey you dey put for your mouth, I no fit put am for my mouth.
Na rubbish be this.
Food
wey no sweet, na rubbish. I carry am for kitchen. I say make I come throw away am. Something just touch me for inside my heart. Say no throw away am. Food wey no see. Why you go throw away food? Na I say make I help you, make I manage am.
Food wey
no sweet.
Rosie.
Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Rosie.
Come. All those plates where you pack food for there, who go wash am?
Who get
go
kitchen?
Wash am. Now you and madam use and chop. Go wash am.
Who get kitchen? Nobody get kitchen. Who go wash am now? Bad one, right?
I don't finish. I know they chop again.
Rosie, my jollo. Why am I? What's the yebi?
Food will no make sense. Na food be this.
Jẹ́ come on.
There come go get abacha.
Jẹ́ come on.
This guy almost catch me. What did I put inside this soup?
Shebi say no sweet. Mo rí ẹ, mo ka ẹ.
Be am okay. No go respect yourself. I beg. I got some fuck come back. Okay, I shall throw away. Come inside.
Rosie, I want to ask you something.
Waiting.
Huh?
Waiting.
Why you be strong face now? I want to ask you something.
Not long face.
Huh?
I not long face. Waiting.
Why you go dey do like say you know happy say I come here? I know everything you need. Hey, you dey shake your head, you dey like you like better thing. You gotta play the go.
How do you do the things you do, babe? But it make me fall in love with you, babe. Like the morning sun, you were beautiful, babe. It feels like dancing in the room. Baby, you don't know what you mean to me. Baby, you don't know what you mean to me. Baby, you don't know, yeah, what you mean to me. And baby, you don't know what you mean to me. My boy, I'ma give you my word, my word. I'ma give you my word. Hey, my fool, I'ma give you my word.
Rosie! Ah! Oh, you pa me one. Eh? Because they don't see you like her before.
You try.
I did try. Like my food, they try for your body. How are you now? We can play for you again.
Ayuba, what is this? Huh? What is it? Are you okay? Ayuba, are you okay there?
Ma?
Are you okay? What's the problem?
Fire. Hot water, fire, it burned me.
Fire? Oh, I am so sorry. I forgot to teach you how to operate the shower. I am so sorry. Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay, so can you please open so that I can teach you?
I didn't naked. Madam, you see something that time? Eh?
No.
You sure?
I am sure.
Eh?
Can I just come in and...
I need I naked.
Then tie something. Are you done? Can I? Okay. Just hold on to talk with you.
Bole, get down. That's it. That is it. Oh yeah,
What did happen for him? What did they worry
I
you?
go comot this guy eye. If na me, I don't comot this guy eye.
Something they worry you. Don't know say na inside television this thing dey.
And if he come down now, you see, I dey fear him. I no dey fear him.
This
guy, I go wound this guy. I go wound this guy.
Don't be little human being.
No, don't be real human being with this guy.
How am I explain this thing? Give you now where you go get sense, understand? Aiba, stop.
Okay.
Stop. If you break this television now, you get money where you go use buy am. Eh? If they sell you 10 times, you no go reach the money where they go use buy this TV.
Mama, boom, don't start. Me and you be the same thing. Me and you be the same thing. If I dey here now, you dey here, nothing. They shake me, nothing do.
Me and you, how? Eh? You don't forget say me I be woman. I go marry, you go my husband house. You be man, you go take care of your family. You can't they comparing yourself to me.
But the thing with this guy they do, you know, see him.
Na TV. Why you push like this? I go explain and give you now because you know get sense. You know they understand something sharp.
Mama abu me. Abu epada. Me go abu epada.
Every time I try teach you something, you know they hear. If not because of me, madam go don't pursue you come up for this house.
I want to go.
Sit down one place. May you watch this thing.
Okay, I don't sit down.
No come here.
Don't sit down.
You know go. I don't want madam problem. If you blink, you don't do. I beg, sit down.
If not me, my beg. No first, I just show you.
I beg. They watch him. I do hear the rookie.
This is
No stand up.
It won't be me let me. Like it they carry me up.
Okay. May carry you down, I beg.
Okay. Rosie, oh your lesha, you lazy. Even the cloth say you won't wash.
Ogini.
The cloth where you say you won't wash since you never wash her.
I dey wash am now.
Okay, you dey wash her with your head. No be in there.
Ayuba. I dey wash the cloth. It dey inside machine they wash.
Wetin they talk?
The cloth they wash inside the machine.
Cloth dey inside here.
Waiting. Okay.
Cloth dey inside this thing. No.
Hi. Come on, do that thing.
What is this thing? Hey! Wahala. Eko for show. Eko for show. This thing, what's with this thing now?
Washing machine.
Who dey inside this thing?
Not be person dey inside now. Machine. Now they wash the cloth.
Keke.
Hi. Chineke nene.
Machine.
Your bush, you don't dey plenty. So you know sabi washing machine.
Eko for show. Eko. But you don't lazy. If you dey village, you go do this kind of thing. Where you go enter bucket, you go wash. I mean, you go swim, you go wash.
Every time, village. Eh? Oh, wow.
You don't lazy, you don't lazy. But come show me.
Make I show you. Be like say something they worry you for your head. You don't come here lazy. Now you want make I show you. I no go show you. If you want wash your cloth, you carry your cloth go village. Now inside your village you go wash am. That your village slim. Now there you go wash your cloth.
Show me. I just dey.
I no go show you.
Show me now.
You don't come here lazy finish. You want make I show you.
Wetin be this number wey dey show for here?
Number.
This number I dey.
Na time.
Na money.
No be money, na time.
Na time.
Yeah. I fit teach you, but you go give me small money.
Which one go give you small? You dey whine me. Clear share.
You no go give me money.
I don't give you money. Why I go give you money?
If you want wash your cloth, carry and go your village.
I will go wash for outside. My rat clean no my for
shop. Carry
shop.
and go your village stream. Commander, if you swallow him, I swear if you swallow this meat, I will. Vomit this meat.
This meat now for two of us now.
Ayuba, stop. Not the chew this. Not the chew him. Vomit am.
This meat now for two of us now.
Ayuba, no, they play with me.
This meat now
Not
for two
play
of us.
with me. Not carry my meat. Play with.
No swallow.
Ayuba, which kind of rubbish be this now?
No love.
Which kind of rubbish be this? You see, you're the only meat where they inside this soup. Now you carry and chop am. If I slap you.
You want to me to
Thunder go fire you. Thunder, now I go fire you.
Because of
what I go do you for this house? What I go do you for this house? If I give you meat for this house, chop again, come a bastard.
I just wait though.
The quiz. Come out for this kitchen.
Look at this.
Come out for this kitchen. The only meat where they inside this soup now, you carry and chop am. There, this village man.
What's happen?
What did they do?
We should go for motor. They wash car now.
Hey.
No
You dey pour water for inside madam car, inside the chair.
I want to wash if I no pour water.
You no get sense. You know, say this thing na foam. Touch am, na foam dey here. You can't dey pour water for on top of am. You want make everywhere they smell. Not lie am again. If you want wash car, you wash the body. No, they wash the chair where they inside.
It's more to for saying God. That one I will go dry.
Common sense, you no get now. Look for lilac, make you dey clean am before madam come outside. Because if madam come outside now, he catch you say water dey inside this her chair, she go vex. It's a body bomb.
You need to body bomb.
Man being go there, no go get common sense.
Follow them more.
When they create you, they no give you sense.
Oh, sorrow you.
Rubbish.
Wait.
Wash am now. If you like, carry pipe. They pour water inside since you no get sense. Let them pack you come up for you. I don't cook my tire for your matter.
La ave for la liga. Balo yin for no moto. Balo yin for. We ko ni clean. Mama, welcome.
Thank you, Ayuba. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
So how was your day?
Every day, I do quite a lot. Okay, ma.
Oh, okay. Ayuba, please come. This is for you. It's for you.
For madam, you want buy something?
Oh no, it's for you.
For wait, how?
Ayuba, it's been a month since you moved in with me, and we've not been able to get you something doing. So I decided to put you on allowance till we can get you something to do. Yes.
Madam, madam, now me suppose they give you money now. Madam, now you they give me clothes, you they give me house, you they give me food. I never get money, I for don't they pay back. Madam, madam, you roll. I cannot take this one.
It's fine. It's fine.
Madam.
It's fine. You can have it.
No. Madam, you don't do too much for me.
Ayuba, please keep it, okay? Besides, I've been seeing what you're doing in the house. You help Rosa with the house chores. You wash my clothes. You wash my car. It's fine. You can have it. It's okay. Get up. Get up. You've been kneeling for too long. Get up.
Let them out so if God to go bless you.
Amen. Get up. You know what? Let me go upstairs, shower, and come down for dinner. It's okay.
Ayuba.
Madam.
Rosie. Come see what's in that.
Why are you happy with this?
But that give me money. I don't do anything. She just come back, she just give me money.
Chai, I happy for you. Yeah.
Nobody said they work, nobody said they do anything. This woman a good woman.
You don't know before. Madam na very, very, very nice person. That's what she did do. Very nice woman. You know, say sometimes like this, she go just pay me extra for work one who do extra. She go add them on top money which she supposed to pay me. She lie well. Why you think I still did this house? You know how many years I don't do this compound? I thought so I don't go come out. Now because Madam heart they good.
Rosie, see, you say you do well for me for this place. You dey take care of me, they show me, they abuse me, and I don't they complain, but I go buy you something. In fact, this money I don't. I go buy things for you. But I go buy something for Madam.
You dey silly say you won't carry this money when they dash you. You want use and buy
Yes,
something.
now you dey together now. But I go buy something for Madam too.
Yeah, that one makes sense. You good. Madam na a good person, so make you buy something for her.
This Madam na good thing I go buy for her.
Madam gets everything, everything for this life. What do you go buy for that kind of person?
I don't know. Now you talk.
Yeah, that one no the important. So what the important are the one you go buy for me.
Now you go tell me now. Now you go tell me what I go buy for you.
Okay, can't
now.
Pretty.
Rosie.
You get up,
Rosie.
Stand up on my bed.
No verse.
I wanna be there for you when the nights are cold and the sky turns blue. I'll hold your hand, pull you through. Oh baby, I wanna be there for you. I wanna be there for you, for you. I wanna be there for you, for you. I wanna be there for you when the nights are cold and the sky turns blue. I'll hold your hand, pull you through. Oh baby, I wanna be there for you. I wanna wanna be there for you. For you. I wanna be there for you. For you. You don't have to carry every weight alone. You don't have to be the strongest on your own. So someone saw your silence and understood the sound. Well, I see you now, and I won't let you down. I wanna be there for you. When the nights are cold and the sky turns blue, I'll hold your hand, pull you through. Oh baby, I wanna be there for you. I wanna be there for you. For you. I wanna be there for you. For you. I wanna be there for you. When the nights are cold and the sky turns blue, I'll hold your hand, pull you through. Oh baby, I wanna be
Omoge, Rosie.
Ayuba.
Ayuba. Only you Ayuba.
Sorry.
Okay,
Ayuba don't enter my mouth.
Make I help you.
You want help me?
Make I oh, you want to kill up and let me help you.
You dey sure?
Bang, Bekini, let me help you.
Thank you. If I say you know, say I get plenty things to do inside.
Yeah, go inside now. If you finish yourself, I will come meet you.
Ah, my better person you be.
Before.
Thank you.
Omoge. Wake. All this broom when are they use for year? Go use broom. Gbale.
Make me fall in love with you. Like the morning sun, you were beautiful. Feels like dancing.
Ah, madam. Welcome.
Thank you.
Anything?
Oh no, nothing at all. Where is Rosa?
She take kitchen.
Okay, tell her to come and see me in my room.
Okay.
Okay.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Always very welcome. It's 2 hours. Yeah. Rosie, we're not in Nolekun. Rosie, wọlé now. Come in. Rosie, why they knock door? Wetin dey do you? Come in. Madam. I know, Sinai. Madam, any problem?
No. I bought this for you. I guess you might need them, especially the shaving stick, so that you can use it to shave your armpit.
Okay. Irabia.
And as for the body spray, you can use them when you shower, and you use the roll-on too.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll go now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Àwọn máa ń fi ran abíálẹ̀ ni. Díẹ̀ náà. Bùkínì ìlú. Ó tutù. Àgbẹ̀ pé kí n pọ́n lá.
Babe, please.
Collins, what the hell are you doing in my house? Haven't I warned you not to show your ugly face here?
Babe, I believe by now your anger and temper would have gone cold. Can we let's start from where we stopped?
Collins, for God's sake, what the hell are you doing in my house?
To take what belongs to me. Matilda, I miss you so much.
Collins, yes. There is no us. We are done. Like done.
I miss you so much. And I just hope that Nunes, that animal is out of this house. Because the next time he comes at me, I'm gonna strangle him to death.
Try that with him.
Oh.
He will rot in jail.
Oh. So, it's a threat to our relationship, right?
But boy,
Straight.
what we need?
Don't worry, I'll be back.
Back!
Oh no, I'm fine. Don't worry about him.
Me, don't worry. I'm your bodyguard from now on. Anywhere you want to go, I protect you.
Are you serious?
Akilapa, I will give him.
Please let me go. Don't worry about him, okay?
Okay. You are going out.
Yes, I'm going to get something.
Should I come?
No, it's fine.
Rosie!
What did they call you now?
Up and grateful. Oh,
every time I pray.
Up and grateful. What do you do?
No, sister, I don't already.
You know what, sir?
Respect yourself.
Why you don't watch that one?
What did you find for here? Come on.
I just can't tell you here. Madam say we dey go somewhere.
They follow Madam come out. No wonder your beret just they sweet you anyhow.
I wrote the enemy now. But she don't tell me where we dey go. Me, I don't dress up now.
Carry something, come back for me. If you come back this house, blink something, come, we go fight.
I go read something for you. You don't miss me too much.
Miss you. Who go miss you? I no go miss you anything. I don't miss you
Miss
anything.
me,
I don't miss you. Oh, you too like pray.
What do you do, sir? Up and grateful.
Ayuba, come on. Come on from my room. They go where you go with Madam. They go where you go with Madam. Oh, they go naked me. You go. Come on. Can't love play this
Make her go.
Madam catch you now. What you go tell her?
She won't fit. I will lock down.
Don't naked me finish. Come on here. Next time you want to enter this room, knock. And you want you knock.
I will knock.
Nuzuzu. Nyapari. The why don't arrange finish. This man.
He shock you too. Ha!
So you mean say just like that, she carry you come out?
Walai. Just tell me, say, you know, say you be JJC for this town, you don't know anywhere, you don't know anything, just say carry me, go everywhere, carry me. Because he say, make I go see town. He buy me meat, oh. He give me drink, oh.
When I first come this house, why madam no carry me come out? Why no show me different places? Why na you they carry come out?
You don't know town now. Me, I just they come now.
I don't know town. Madam,
but the thing surprised me, Sha. Just
he be like say madam don't they like you.
A good person. I mean, if I like him.
No be that kind of like I dey talk about.
What do you call it?
Madam they like you. Madam won't chop you.
Abba! I'm a sorrow, ben.
Madam won't chop you. She won't chop you.
You don't see madam, you don't see me. What thing she wants to see for my body?
Why she come dey carry you come out? Now you tell me say she buy you.
Nah, good person.
Buy
Nah,
you,
good person.
Buy you plenty perfume. Buy you body spray. Buy you cloth. Buy you different things. You want make you dey smell nice for her. He can't buy you meat, make you chop. He buy you cloth. Buy you different things. Just like that.
Because now good person.
Nah right. Madam don't they like
you? No, they carry this matter go like this, oh. Now good person. See me, madam. They see me be she be our madam, oh. Mama sorry now.
I dey tell you say person they like you. They tell me say na good person. I be no talk say I no tell you. I dey tell you make you dey careful.
No, they
because
talk like
if this
that.
woman catch you, he go chop you. He how that dog give vam.
He
go chop you anyhow. Lick. If he lick you finish, your eye go open.
Modern.
Make you dey careful because I don't want to hear story. I don't want to hear any story.
We dey together. Mama
she be like this house we dey.
We dey.
If you like, they do like mumu. Person they write you.
Mama,
they tell me say a good person. They do like mumu. No say you get girlfriend. Rubbish.
So it's been you. So you've been the one behind this melodic sound. Wow. What a discovery. So tell me, how many more surprises do you possess? Oh no, don't stop. Go ahead. I like the sound of it.
You like it?
Yes, I do. Please go ahead. Come in.
Madam, you see make I come.
Yes.
You see make I bring my flute.
Yes,
No problem.
no problem. I can't sleep, so I want you to play this thing for me. Come on in. Please sit down. Let's sit. Shh. I've always admired you. I have longed for this. I want you.
Madam.
I need you.
Madam, I know me. I be bushman. I don't get anything I won't give you.
I've longed for this for so long. Don't worry, you don't have to give me anything. All I want is your heart with undiluted love.
Heart? Even hey! Hey! Mama, no boss. Madam. Yeah, come in. Come in, you. Come in.
Ayuba, I would like to apologize for what happened last night. I should have handled the situation better. I am so sorry. Look, Ayuba, I really like you. Yes, I know it may sound awkward, but it's the truth. I really do love you.
Madam, I don't want. Hey.
Ayuba, you don't have to say anything. Okay? If you need time to think about it, fine. I'll give you all the time you need. But please, I really need you.
Madam, no be say you do be fine woman. You fine, you yellow. You get money, you get house, you get car. I don't get anything. I won't give you.
I don't want you to give me anything. No. Yes, this fine woman wants you. I need you. Fine. I can give you all the time you need to think. And I'll be waiting for you. I really do need you. I'll be in my room.
Ayuba, now here you dey. I don't dey look for you everywhere for this place. I don't see you. Wetin happen? Or talk, follow me talk now. Wetin happen? I talk am say, Madam happen. I tell you say, Madam like you, but you deny am. Now you don't see am. You don't use your two kolo eyes. See am, abi? Your mind don't calm down.
You say na anything, but
Ayuba, you no want tell me truth. You dey look me for eyes. You dey right give me. Who be small pikin for here? I resemble small pikin for your eyes.
she come tell me say she like me. I don't know what I could do.
Which one be you don't know what you go do? You go tell him say you know one time now. No be you tell me say you like me.
Make I just tell her say I don't want them. Why they talk like this now?
No tell him.
She be you dey here, you dey see as men just dey do am anyhow, they dey do am anyhow. You dey see am, you dey feel am. Make I can't join those people. No good now. Person will dey good to me.
So you know one break Madam heart, but you dey ready to break my heart.
No, they talk like this, Rosie.
Madam, no, you don't be person where they supposed to break her heart. But me, make them break my heart.
I don't want to break your heart. Why you dey talk like this, Rosie? I say, may you help me. I don't know what I go do.
You go tell them say so you know one time. Say na me you like. How you go? No problem. Anything we want to do am.
Rosie,
if you touch me, need you to put a mag.
Come, may we reason this thing. I don't know what I go do. I need to talk.
It feels like dancing in the room. Baby, you don't know what you mean to me. Baby, you don't know what you mean to me. Baby, you don't know, yeah, what you mean to me. And baby, you don't know what you mean to me. My boy, I'ma give you my boy, my boy.
What's this thing all about? What are you doing with this local man? You even had the effrontery to bring him to our favorite spot? Like for real?
Well, if you must know, he's my boyfriend. And I take him wherever the hell I want. It's none of your business.
Yo, this thing your boyfriend? Wait. I know you are all sort of things, but are you blind? Can't you see? So, you wanna... So this is my replacement. I must tell you, you're very blind.
Hey, Oga,
You shut up.
come on for here.
Shut up! Say, this is out of your business. It's out of your business.
Business will not draw you. To basu mommy ma fu any headboard. Go to about a soldier. Go right rubbish, huh? Come on for here.
Let's go.
Okay, the man.
Let's go.
Money go. Rosie, where do you find these things now?
No touch me. Ayuba, come out from my room.
Rosie, why you dey
I
talk
say
like...
make you come out from my room.
Rosie, why you dey talk like this now?
Ayuba, come out from my room.
Rosie, what I do now? Rosie, you won't succumb. Rosie. Rosie.
Go meet your woman for her room. Leave me.
Rosie, no, they talk like this now. She said, make we come. I don't know where we won't go, but I feel tell her no. I don't feel tell her no.
You
now.
hear me talk anything? Ayuba, come out from my room. Go meet your woman.
Rosie,
Leave me.
I don't feel tell her no now.
As I dey here, I don't want trouble.
Rosie, why you go? You know, say that you I like. Eh? You know, say
Now me you like. Eh? Ayuba, now me you like. But you follow madam since morning. Una come on. Check your time. Now for night you dey come back. No touch me. No, they touch me. They pepper me for body as you they touch me.
Happy no.
Don't touch me. If I do you like that, you go happy. If I follow one man we get money, rich man like this, I follow him go morning, come back for night. I can't tell you say I don't go fit. I don't feel tell him no. Say now you I want. How you go feel? What did you do me good?
See,
You good?
You are no fears.
I leave you for this house since morning and don't come back till night. How you go feel? If you do something to person, make yourself they think am. If they do it to you, how you go feel?
But this one now, madam.
Just come off from my room, I beg. No, they touch me. Come off from my room. I go shout, oh. I go shout, make madam come push two of us, so come off from my room.
Come on, why are you acting shy? We're both adults. And I promise you, you won't regret this.
Madam, this thing no go work. No go work. You can't be like say, now because of this thing they come your house.
No. You know what? I totally understand the mystery behind us meeting. And I think this is the reason why we met. Can't you feel this spark? Just let it flow.
I be telling more you da. Madam, yeah, give me time. Eh? Give me small time.
Okay. That's fine. I'll give you all the time you need.
Thank you.
And I'll be right here waiting for you. Oh, sure. But let me know if you need anything. You can go.
Okay.
If you touch me, that may this cover of pot scatter your head. Don't touch me. Respect yourself. No be you I see. They come out from Madame room yesterday.
Okay. Nothing now. She just say make I help her do one thing.
Nothing.
Every time, every day, I go to see you, they enter Madame room. They come out from Madame room. They tell me say nothing they happen.
Nothing they happen.
Okay. Nothing they happen, Abi.
Nothing they happen.
Hey, Ayuba, it's something they happen between you and Madame. Tell me, make I face front. No, they carry me, they pray.
I know say that you. Now me and you since I don't come here. Why go you talk see me and Madame? I know say she they got time for me. What? Basing my own. I did my own lane. After a while, she go tired. She go tired.
Okay, so you dey wait, make she tired before you go stop her. Eh? If they give her green light,
You be able to give her no green light. Hey man, she needs to come.
No one make you calling me pray.
When you dey here, you be talk like this. Come here. Everything they do you, this strong body. To get strong body everywhere, I did with you. Nothing will shake us.
Me, I don't want to make Madame correct you from my hand.
Ajay. Madame collect me from you.
You know, say she get plenty money, she get fine house.
Only, short you. Tell me that. She no fit.
You sure?
When you dey here.
Money you rough.
Mo kó ẹ̀jẹ̀ bàjẹ́. Mo kó ẹ̀jẹ̀ papọ̀.
I don't want to see you the enter her room. I don't want to see you the enter her room. Go to stay wrong for the.
No, make my hand even dey here like this. Mo kó ẹ̀jẹ̀.
How do you do the things you do, babe? Really make me fall in love with you, yeah. Like the morning sun, you were beautiful, yeah. It feels like dancing in the room. Baby, you don't know what you mean to me. Baby, you don't know what you mean to me. Baby, you don't know, yeah, what you mean to me. And baby, you don't know what you mean to me. My boy, I'ma give you my boy, my boy. I'ma give you my boy. Hey, my boy, I'ma give you my boy, my baby, my boy. I'ma give you my boy. Baby, you don't know what you mean to me. Baby, you don't know, yeah.
On that note, I don't want all of us to go extreme. Go in there, pack your things, and get the hell out of my house!
Madam, I beg me, I dey beg you, I beg. Anything I don't do, I beg, no verse. I don't get anywhere I want to go. You just leave my destiny helper. No, I'm legit.
Madam Biko, anyway, you know, say I don't dey work for you for many years now. You will never get any problem. I beg, no sack me, Biko.
Okay, wait, I want to ask you people, what do you take me for? A fool?
No.
Then fine, go in there, pack your things, and leave my house.
Biko, madam, I
Go
don't
in
get
Go in there, one go to park.
I said go in there, pack your things, and leave my house! You!
Okay. Benny,
I beg. How you want make I go? I don't get any place to go.
Get out of my
Come back,
house!
Mire.
Get out of my house!
And I dey talk this thing. No say she not too dey happy. She dey suspect things.
What? Wetin come dey make madam dey vex like this? The vex too much.
Because she don't dey hear something.
Chai.
The other time we dey talk.
Now you dey like to dey shout. Every time we dey talk, I dey tell you make no dey shout, you dey shout.
Na my voice. Person wey go get money na so your voice dey.
Chai.
And she try for us.
Wetin we go come do now?
I don't know.
Make we dey go village o.
I don't imagine. We dey go forward, we dey see it, maybe they go back. No go back again.
You go follow me go my village.
You go my own.
Ndofe mano. I no dey go Yoruba village o.
I never told you, but wetin we go do? Because you know say na you know this town. I don't know anywhere.
You hold small money for there.
I get money now.
Me sef, I get small change. You go bring your money come, make we join am together. Make we find small place, correct? Even if na Kpako house, make we dey there, two of us. We go dey manage am. Find something wey we go dey do. Dey take whole body. Because me, I don't know. Wetin I know be say anyhow wey e be, I go always dey with you.
I go dey with you now. I won't go.
Chai.
Are you? You know, saying I love make me do this thing.
Shebi you don't see wetin rough don cost.
I love now. I leave this madam for you. What do you think? This love where they profess to you now. Now the thing where they see for TV, I can't see her for real life now.
Hi.
Eh?
So you rough me through. Maybe say as I leave my madam now I don't dey work for many years. I follow you go come you can't do me anyhow.
I know if you ni mobile bata. See my chest. Ogun. Are you dey here?
So you rough me where?
I love you, die.
Chai.
Me, I tell you, don't what I did for you. We go hustle, we go make her.
But not true, Sha. Not true. Because madam dey very good. She dey very good. And she fine. You know they see her skin. Oyibo. See, she fine where she can't get plenty money. You can't revamp. You can't choose me with her big nash. Chai. I am small time. It's why you don't reach that madam. Oh, you don't reach madam. Oh.
You see, make I go village for you now. Go.
You go follow me go.
That your village.
East.
I go. Where be the hometown Congo?
Agunta. You go now.
I go.
Her name.
I love you, Sha.
Okay. Chai.
try to tear us apart. But what we build cannot be torn down. They will try to shake our foundations, but what we build together is on solid ground. I'm gonna fight hard to save our love. Save our love. What we have is so special and worth dying for. I'm gonna fight hard to save our love. Save our love. What we have is so special and worth dying for.
Please have a seat.
Ma, before you say have your seat, I know say you don't vex for us. Don't vex. You did okay, say you vex. But now we just want to say sorry. May you no vex.
Madam, sorry.
Forgive us.
We did very, very sorry.
Please.
Because,
Can you guys just sit down?
Bahara,
Please sit.
Madam, we did okay like this.
Please sit.
Thank you, ma. She said, we sit down, we sit down.
Okay, so let's go straight to the business of the day. I want to say sorry to you guys for the way I treated you. Yes, I'm truly sorry. Honestly, I genuinely see how you love and care for me in this house. So whatever I did was out of selfishness, jealousy and anger. I went out of my way. I'm truly sorry.
Madam, nobody supposed to tell us say sorry. Now we supposed to say sorry.
Hey, Madam.
Now we treat you bad.
Madam, we did very, very
We
sorry.
chop your eye.
We did very sorry, I beg. No verse for us.
It's fine. It's all right. I'm the one that hurt myself. I threw myself on him. I shouldn't have done that. I think now I know better. That's fine. By the way, I can see you guys are in love. And that's lovely to see.
Madam, we love each other very.
That's so nice. And you, Rosa? I heard you're doing something now. Something little.
Madam, now we dey use whole body and soul together now.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
That's nice. You know what? I'm going to send you guys 5 million to add to whatever you're doing out there. Yes. It's just my only little way of showing support.
5 million!
Yes.
Hi!
It don't work for me anymore.
Chuku. Madam, 5 million! Hi, madam.
What are we killing you?
Madam. Naija! Madam.
Yes.
Thank you. 5 million. Madam, I never used this.
It's
I
okay.
see 5 million
fine.
before.
It's fine. I just want you guys to continue whatever you're doing. And live a happy life.
Madam, God bless you. I never see 500,000. Talk. 5 million.
It's okay.
Madam, now God go bless you.
Amen.
Anything where you touch, it go turn to gold.
Amen.
Madam, this your skin go dey shine.
Your teeth go dey white.
Your hair go dey curl.
Your nyash go dey wrong.
Amen. Amen.
Madam, thank you.
She go.
God bless you. Madam,
It's
your
okay,
heart
it's
too
fine.
good. Your heart
It's
too
fine.
good.
It be good. Woman.
Hi.
you.
5 million.
Janet!
Madam, I beg, we want to help you clean every...
No, it's fine. Janet! Yes, ma'am. Please kindly set the table, okay? And get them something to drink. Okay, ma'am.
Hi. God bless you, madam. Hi. Your heart's too good.
Matilda, you know you're a gift to humanity. And I must confess, you are a blessing to me, especially.
Oh, thank you.
I don't know how to say this, but I'll be the luckiest man if you would accept to spend the rest of your life with me. Matilda, please, will you marry me?
Yes. Yes, I will marry you.
Go on. I love you, right? I love you. I love you so much.
Me too.
Man, you keep talking well. Yeah,
Aw, Rosa. Thank you.
I'm out.